Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share someone's ID in Facebook Messenger chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger and click on a conversation with the person whose contact information you want to share. This could be any active chat in your message list. Once you have that conversation open, you'll see all your chat history with that person displayed on your screen. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the conversation window. You'll notice an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with the letter I inside it, or 3 horizontal dots depending on your device. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal additional options and details about this conversation and contact. After clicking the information icon, a menu will appear with several options related to this conversation. Look through the available options until you find one labeled Share Contact. This feature is specifically designed to let you forward someone's profile information to another person in your Messenger contacts. Click on Share Contact to proceed to the next step. Once you click Share Contact, a new window will open displaying your Messenger contacts list. This is where you'll choose who receives the profile information. Take a moment to scroll through your contacts or use the search function at the top to quickly find the specific person you want to send this ID or profile to. The search function can save you time if you have many contacts in your Messenger list. When you've located the right person, you'll see a Send button positioned beside their name. Simply click this Send button to instantly share the contact information with them. The recipient will receive the profile as a message in their chat with you, allowing them to easily view the person's information and connect with them if they choose. And that's it. You've successfully shared someone's ID in Facebook Messenger, making it simple for your contacts to connect with each other. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.